In India, many species of Trichogramma are used as egg parasitoids against bollworms of cotton, stem borers of rice, leaf folders of rice, and sugarcane borers effectively. The rice moth Corcyra cephalonica ranks first in the mass culturing of entomophagous insects due to its amenability to mass production, adaptability to varied rearing conditions, and its positive influence on the progeny of the natural enemies. Corcyra can be mass multiplied throughout the year in all the ecological zones of India, considering the economics as well as quality of eggs being produced. Now, let us see the steps involved in the Corcyra production. Initially, the requisite quantum of sorghum is milled to make 3 to 4 pieces of each grain. Thus, milled sorghum grains are heat sterilized in oven at 100 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. This treatment helps in preventing the growth of molds as well as to increase the grain moisture to the optimum, that is 15 to 16%. Take 2.5 kg of sorghum seed in a plastic basin. Then add 0.125 cc of Corcyra eggs into it. Also add yeast, groundnut kernel and streptomycin sulfate to enhance egg laying capacity of the adult moths and for enriching the diet. Later, the basins are carefully transferred to the racks. After about 35 to 40 days of charging, moths start emerging and the emergence continues for 2 months. Thus, emerged adults are either aspirated with mechanical moth collector or collected with specimen tubes. Workers involved in the collection of moths should wear face masks continuously to avoid inhalation of scales. Collect the moths daily and transfer to the specially designed low-cost ovipositional cages. The adults are provided feed containing honey solution. Daily morning, the oviposition cages are lifted up and the wire mesh bottoms are cleaned gently with a brush so that the eggs and remnants of scales and limbs settle on the mesh are collected along with those on the filter paper. The collections are cleaned by gently rolling the eggs on filter paper to another container. Then they are passed to sieves in series and finally clean eggs are collected. Thus collected eggs are used for building up the stock and natural enemy production. Now let us see the production of trichocards. The collected and cleaned Corcyra eggs are UV sterilized for 15 to 20 minutes to kill the embryo of Corcyra eggs. For trichocard preparation, cut required size of the card and labeled it with information regarding species of the parasitoid, date of parasitization. Then, a coat of 10% gum arabic is applied on the card and the eggs are sprinkled uniformly in a single layer with the help of a tea strainer. The Coursera egg cards are placed in glass tubes containing nucleus culture of Trichogramma. The emerging parasitoids readily parasitize the fresh Coursera eggs. From these cards, the adults will emerge in 7 to 8 days period. Thus, prepared trichocards are released in the field on 7th day evening or 8th day morning. Thus released Trichogramma adults in the field search for host egg and parasitizes it by laying eggs inside it.
I am Sharda Mapi. I am scientist in Silkworm Pathology section in KSSRDA, Bangalore. It is a sericulture development and research institute. Our Daphnia pulverulentalis is a serious pest of mulberry plant. It causes about 30% crop loss or leaf harvest in mulberry production. We have some agronomical procedures like plucking the leaf buds, infested leaf buds, or using chemical spray. But after coming to this training program, I would like to adopt developing Trichogramma cards on Coursera mass production. We would like to adopt this in containing the leaf roller pest.